Meaning of hostess.
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 Hostess. The term hostess refers to a female who invites or receives guests into a particular environment, such as a home, restaurant, or event. The hostess is typically responsible for ensuring that the guests feel welcomed and attended to, including arranging seating arrangements, providing food and drinks, and engaging in pleasant conversation. In professional settings, a hostess may also have additional roles, such as overseeing the smooth functioning of a business event or coordinating with other staff members to ensure that all guest needs are met. Overall, the role of a hostess involves making others feel comfortable and welcome within a given context.